Oh, that baby,
I'm into me,
that baby, oh, that baby,
all day with
that baby, baby, oh, that baby,
I'm into me,
that baby, oh, that baby,
all day with
that baby.
Girl, I want to know your sober.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for G4B.
Wosu mami, wosu mami, wosu mami, wosu mami.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, happy new year. This is the first video of the year. Oh my god, like it's new year, honey. I'm so happy this year. I'm so happy and blessed this year. Like you guys can't imagine. Okay, with time you're gonna see everything. Okay, so oh my god, so welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, come on, glow with G Glow, because this year is all about glowing, honey. You see the glow? Yes. Okay, let me go to the video. So today I'm coming with some crochet hair. So this hair is from Trendy Tresses. They sent to me this cute and amazing hair. It was longer than this. It was this long. Okay, so I trimmed it because it was too long for me. So yeah, this is what is remaining from the last pack. So they sent to me 5 packs and I used 4.5. Okay, so this is the other one that is remaining. So let me show you guys the package. It comes like this. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Yeah, the lighting with this camera is funny. Okay, so this is the model. This is the color over here. So the color is 1B/33. It was very easy. Like, I'm going to show you everything in the video, the cornrows, how I installed it, and also when I finished I used this is finished. I need to buy another one. So this one has stayed for a long time. So this one you can get it anywhere. This one is from the supermarket here in Spain. So yeah. Okay, oh, another thing that I'm going to show in the video, that this year I received it last year. Try to focus. Since October last year. Okay, so like yeah, this year has been so long with me. It's just that doing this kind of crochet takes a lot of time and dedication if you really want to get this fullness. So that's why I wasted so much time to do it. So this year was shipped to me on October, before even my birthday, which is 16th of October. But anywho, so like as I was saying, like I can't believe it's 2019. Like 2019 was such a great year for me. I had my baby, and 2019 more things are coming. Let me just keep it there. I'm so thankful. I said you're going to see everything. Like, well, not now. Okay, I'm not going to say anything right now though. So my cuties, if you want to know how I installed this cute crochet braids, just keep on. Oh, first of all, wait, let me turn around as usual. Let me turn around and show you guys how this hair looks like. So yeah, the hair is so cute. I'm loving it so much. Like, yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Hair length was almost to like here. It was almost here, so like yeah, that's why I couldn't keep it that long. Like no sis, no. You're going to see everything in the video. So the contact lenses I'm wearing today is from COLORCL.com. Today I'm wearing the blank rose pink. I'm loving it. So yeah, I have the whole blank collection. I'm going to do a review. I promise I have all the colors of this collection with the new cases and everything. Like, it's crazy. So like Today I'm wearing MIMOO lashes. I have done a review about these lashes, the dramatic one. So this is dramatic DR6. Yes. Oh wait, I'm coming. As I promised you guys before in other videos that I'm going to review the classic collection. The classic collection have arrived, so like I'm going to do a different review. So these are the classic ones. This one is classic, for example. This one is classic CR11. Let me see if it's going to focus. I pray it does. Okay, so finally I focused this one is the classic collection. Many lashes. Like this is like, it's crazy. I have more the dramatic one from another side. So like girls, that is a lot to review. Okay, there is a lot of hairstyles. Oh, also I'm going to upload some old videos that I've done last year, this year. Okay, so I'm going to upload them because I have like 3 or 4 videos that I've recorded for a long time ago, but I'm going to upload them soon. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So my cuties, so without talking so much, I really talk so much. I know I'm trying all my best to do everything so fast, but yeah, that's YouTuber life. Okay. If you want to know how I saw this cute hairstyle, just keep watching. Hey, I've missed this so much.
Boss beat.
sex. Got nothing in this world. The item on the checks. Money. Touch me and shoot. She give your ass money.
Boss beats.
And this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share, and we'll see you in my next video. Time for music. Hey, 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 hey. Music.
Boss beats.
I tell you something, I know get nothing. Baby, me who tell me ma, I get on my mind, ma, only you, ma. En el patio del bote Azan thank you cause you keep on blessing me, on blessing me, keep on blessing me, on blessing me. Thank you cause you keep on blessing me, keep on blessing me, keep on blessing me, keep on blessing me. Body too correct, oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go connect, keep on body too correct. Say she love me, yeah, love it. Sensima, why they for Benzema? Why you want $1? Bam, 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 bam.